AI piping reviews, features, pricing, and alternative. AnyBiz. Let's dive deep into how AI piping leverages artificial intelligence for sales. AI Piping, a modern Singaporean startup, enhances sales outreach through AI and ML. By automating and personalizing prospecting, the company aims to boost conversion rates and simplify sales processes, allowing teams to focus on building meaningful customer relationships. AI Piping leverages advanced AI and ML to transform sales prospecting. It conducts detailed prospect research, tailors personalized sales strategies, automates outreach efforts, and continuously optimizes email communication for maximum effectiveness and engagement. They do not provide pricing details or offer a free trial on their website. Prospective users can explore the platform through a demo or early access sign-up. For specific information on costs and services, direct communication with AI Piping is necessary. AI Piping enhances email conversion rates through AI, offers cost-effectiveness by automating sales processes, scales effectively for business growth, and benefits from Singapore government support. However, integrating with existing CRM systems may be challenging, and effectiveness depends on digital footprint data availability. User reviews for AI Piping are not yet available on major platforms like G2, Capterra, or Trustpilot, making it difficult to assess its user satisfaction and effectiveness. AnyBiz.io automates client engagement using AI, identifying optimal times for outreach and handling messaging, meeting scheduling, and email deliverability. It integrates seamlessly with CRM systems like HubSpot and offers multi-channel outreach through email, LinkedIn, and Twitter, ensuring personalized engagement and efficient lead management. AI Piping specializes in sophisticated prospect research and automated outreach, yet lacks clear pricing and may require CRM integration. AnyBiz offers complete AI-driven sales automation with 24/7 agents, multi-channel outreach, and seamless CRM integration, making it ideal for scaling businesses focused on efficiency and lead quality. If you found value in this, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to keep up with our future releases. Your support keeps us going strong.